Hey, morning, gangsters. Happy Wednesday. It's 9:29. We got a minute before market opens. We're here. We're back at it. NQ hasn't scared us the heck away yet. For good or for worse. For good or for worse, we're back here. We're back at it. Oh my God, look at me right now. I haven't even taken a shower yet today. Nothing, man. Woke up, stumbled over here, let the goats out, let the ducks out. Now we're in front of the computer. We have a lovely man with the cowboy hat joining us in just a couple minutes here. He just had some early morning business meetings, trying to make some moves with all the stinking money he's making off NQ here, guys. So definitely pay attention. Yeah, Rurs, we know that you're not a cowboy. We're not talking about you, sir. We're talking about the trading cowboy that'll be joining us relatively soon. But man, here we are. Boom, 9:30, and obviously we didn't even talk about it, but 8:30 news, kaboom, just rocket shipped up 200 points, 250 points.
Rocket ship?
Yeah, buddy, rocket ship today. So we got to be patient. After days like these, or after moves like these, it makes me a little bit nervous. I almost expect some type of a retest and pull down, but it's not guaranteed. Of course, Q's, and we're just going to be patient here, guys, so bear with me. I'm not going to trade for the first couple minutes. But Q's absolutely blasted up, of course. They gapped up. NVIDIA, huge gap up. VIX is in the toilet, got shot in the face. ES created a really nice bull flag that's ripping up. The one that made me a little bit hesitant here is the 1 hour. I mean, this is kind of my target right there, 450s, which we already hit. So obviously we can come up here to like the 480s, 490s. We have some targets up here at 515. After that, it would be a big move, 580s or sneaking all the heck way up here to 26,000 almost, which would be a little insane. So that's why I'm a little hesitant today, because I think longs are the way, but what the heck's our target? I mean, again, 500, 516, and then 26,000. Just seems a little hard to believe after such a rip up. But what the heck do we know? We're just simple sandwich guys. Man, I realize I'm getting way too old, too. My references are getting way too old. Who remembers that? I'm just a simple sandwich guy.
I remember that.
Yeah, sure. I can't remember. Pepperidge Farms remembers that. Hey, morning driving obsession.
Worst things ever.
What, Roars? Don't be silly. It seems like you're being awfully silly over there. My God, it's only 9:32. I felt like I just talked for like 30 minutes. And that was only a minute and a half. Just shows my impatience lately. These first 2 minutes are taking so long, in my opinion. We're definitely forming a really stinking nice bull flag here. But we came up, we kissed this point perfectly and curled back down. So we got to see. We have a whole heck of a lot of targets below us. Like 320s would be a real nice juicy target. Man, what did we, so we came up here to the 460s. Now we're dropping. 932. We're still a little bit early to be making decisions. I don't know. Yeah, I just got to stay away for a sec. I'm leaning shorts right now, though. Leaning shorts. But I mean, all these wicks could have just been cleaning up all the wicks down here. Just cleaning all this stuff up, and then we're just going to rocket ship up. Which direction? No! I punched in long. There we go. Alright, come on. A little better. Man, that was just a quickie. The second I decided to punch in long, we got that kind of awful wick that made me a little bit nervous. But I wanted to punch in long, put a stop below this basically 400s and just let it sit for a second, see what the heck she does. But snuck 62 bucks off of it. That was a very quick trade though. And now we did break our session low. We wicked the 400s. hammer candle, but it's red. And we got this massive shelf right here as well. Big old support shelf. So we'll see if we break the 400s. I mean, we have a little bit of support down here to the 370s. Otherwise, we're going to start dropping quick. What time is it? 9:34. We got 30 seconds left. You want me to say rocket ship again? Oh, man. I was talking about shorts a second ago. Man, we're rocking and rolling now, Bubby. Got Roar's yelling at me in the background. I made a mental decision to try my best not to chase stuff today, but my God, it literally is like a dog chasing a car. You know, I see a big thing like this, and it's agreeing with my original sentiment, and I'm like, all right, we gotta do it, you know. Which here I go again. Let's see. The only thing is there's no wick on this guy. Ugh.
No look on this guy.
Yep.
This
Yep.
never ever.
I know it. Alright, 7 more seconds. Let's survive this candle and hopefully it just continues pushing down instead of up. Uh-oh.
Camels can't even talk.
And that's why we don't trade the first 5 minutes, Greg. That's why.
Come on, have you doing the first thing yet?
Alright. Let's see.
Do the first thing. Do the first thing. First thing.
Shoot, man. Shoot. Look at that. It would have worked out. We just got wicked. We got stinking wicked because we rushed it. Four seconds left of this candle. Let's see. But at this point, I mean, it should continue down to the 320s, which was one of our original targets. Frustrating. I just didn't hold it long enough. Let's see if this can wick back up halfway. And then we can kind of try it again. Try to be a little bit safer this time. That's a little better. Yeah, I just don't know. 344. Come on, NQ. Hey, Marco. What's up? Morning, big dog. We're doing okay. Full of excitement, full of confidence. Trades aren't really reflecting that yet, though. You know? Man, this market lately has just been a finicky one for me. That's breaking. Not looking the best. We got 40 seconds left of this candle. Let's see if we can survive it. Nope, stopped out. Not good, not good. Shoot, man. My very first trade was trying to be short, too. So Nvidia's dying, ES is curling back down, Qs are curling back down, VIX is spiking up pretty good. The thinking on the longs, man, was just kind of I mean, really, I was trying to go with our trading cowboy setup right here, right? So red, 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 red. We had a nice fat green. The red came down and clipped the halfway point. So then we entered longs here, thinking, you know, we'd get a push up and through. And then, you know, just a close enough stop, I guess. But did not work out. But yeah, I mean, looking at Nvidia, looking at ES, I mean, you'd think we'd come down to the 320s at this point, but who knows? 341. Big reaction up. Back up here to the 21. Basically retesting the 400s here. Man, just a little early, you know. And as always, man, my stops. I get, oh, I hear the guy. Hold on one sec. I get so frustrated with these stops too. Like, look at this. Off by one friggin' thing, man. So frustrating. All right, hold on. Let's let this guy in. Which I really don't know why I have to do this every single time, because it literally is just me copying, pasting the same exact link that's already in here. And like if I hit refresh, that doesn't work. So why do I gotta copy and paste the same stupid link every single time? There's the man. There's the man with the cowboy hat.
Good morning, guys.
Shoo! How was the business this morning?
Oh man, well, I mean, long story short, I had to go to the DMV to renew my driver's license.
What?
Got doing some paperwork and stuff this week, getting some stuff turned over and stuff filled out.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, my driver's license expired last week on my birthday, so.
Dang,
whoops.
man. So you get a new photo and everything.
Oh yeah, I'm a new man.
Nice, man. That's exciting times. You know? That's pretty cool. I will say, man, usually DMVs get such a bad rap, but we have one here in Orlando.
Yeah,
What's that?
Wanted to buy it several times just watching it logging in right here, but
well, god damn. I mean, you just saw my trade, man.
Right now,
I just went long and then got stopped out, and now here it is going perfectly in the direction I wanted to go in. I entered at 360. I got stopped out at 340s, and now here it is blasted up here to the 400s again.
Yeah, you know, I kind of thought it was going to swipe that 322 area, kind of wick below it a little bit.
Okay, baby? Okay. Be careful, please. I know, don't break your bones. ES is still looking weak, but starting to try to turn green. We got a minute left before our 15-minute range. Boop 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 boop. Yeah, I mean, it kind of seems like it's building up to push up to the 418s now.
Yeah. Yeah, there was kind of our setup. It kind of stalled out right there, so I was kind of a little leery, but...
Yeah. Yeah, I know, man. I need some big trades today.
Me too.
I got a battling a lot of drawdown right now.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Still thinking about it, huh?
Yeah, I mean, what a crazy run this morning. I mean,
Oh, I
wow.
know. I know, man. And I thought about it briefly for like a half second last night, and then, hey, morning, Miguel. And then I just didn't do it, you know? I was like...
Miguel, hope all is well, buddy.
Yeah, right? Mr. Miguel. All right, so up here to 412s now. Nice little pop. That was our 5-minute candle pop. That's our 945. ES is kind of forming a, well, was forming a bear flag, but it's starting to get almost invalidated. Nvidia fell, immediately ripped back up just to kind of fall again.
Yeah, you know, and right here, I mean, looking back on the, you know, this 420s area is going to be a little bit of resistance here. So I don't know if it's going to be interesting to see if it clears this and pushes right to the highs, or if we get a big rejection right here. So.
Yep. Coming back here to the 21. Well, 21, 45, and 9 are all hugging and kissing right now. Which Ruben Garcia.
That's kind of the drop I was expecting, just because all that consolidation we had back in the beginning.
Mm-hmm. So just kind of cleaned up those wicks, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, is the dump going to continue now, though? Weird day. I mean, VIX is, I don't know. VIX is, yeah, everything is just weird. Everything's kind of weird. Everything's weird and just slightly out of sync with each other, too. Like, look at VIX. Pop up, huge drop. Nvidia, gap up. Big drop, big red drop. Q's is the only one that's kind of looking normal. ES is looking weird. We're just looking like a, we're going to do like a cup and handle, maybe? Cup and handle to rip us up to the 26,000s.
Well, I don't know what's going on. I'm in one of my fundeds on my other screen, and okay, I finally exited, but man, it wouldn't let me exit or anything. I tried to exit all, cancel. Blew through my runner.
Yeah.
Crazy. I don't know what Trade-Evade little glitchy, but
dang, dude, that always gets frustrating. So was it in a good way or a bad way?
it was good. I mean, it wasn't as good as it could have been, but
right. Nice,
I mean,
man. What'd you take? You took a long or a short?
I shorted that at the top up there. Once that green candle, so kind of what I looked at is this green candle right here, no wick, and then this candle kind of hesitated.
Yeah.
And then we had that wick, and as soon as it made that wick, I just entered right back in at the 425 area.
Oh, okay.
And rode it all the way down here, sold one about halfway.
Shoot, dude.
And tried to exit at the 70s, but ended up exiting at like 90 maybe.
Yeah.
And it just wouldn't do anything. I mean, it wouldn't, I don't know, a little frustrating.
Yeah, man. Dang. Yeah. That always gets, yeah, that gets nerve-wracking as well. Especially if it goes in the opposite direction. Like it did that one day with us all, you know?
Yeah.
Go. But yeah, man, don't hesitate to let us know your thoughts on that stuff. On your
That
moves.
short was a little dangerous, but with all that we had, all that,
Uh-huh.
well, not support, it built out and then really popped earlier, but I knew we had to get some kind of reaction. I wasn't expecting that big reaction.
That was a good reaction. Yeah. So it came back down here again. We just have this massive chunk of support right here at the 390s.
Just say ice.
Ice? What are we saying ice for?
Wish I had a button on my computer that would turn the screen upside down and change all the red to green so it looked like I was always going up.
Right, dude. You just flip flop it with that, with whatever direction. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, just a little reverse button. Yeah.
We're always long. Forming a really nice bull flag now.
Yeah, I mean that's not a bad setup right there, but I mean, your stop would have to be about 20 points below. Yeah, I see theirs goes back retesting.
Yeah.
I think we're kind of trying to fake some of the bulls out right here. Yeah, I see that would hit your stop
Wow.
in just a few seconds. So
Yep. Ooh, Mark says that he thinks that you can do that.
really, man, it'd be nice if I thought I was always going long.
Right? Just boom, 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 boom. You can just click, 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 click.
Unless I click the buy button and we're not really going long.
Dude, that's the problem. Yeah, man. It would,
I need
it'd
those
get
buttons to
flip flopped.
too, yeah.
Yeah, you'd be flip flopped so bad in your brain. Man, that was just happening to me too with my buddy here. We were doing some ceiling work, doing the I don't know, accent ceiling stuff where you put like all the board and batten on the ceiling and everything. We had to keep making 45-degree angle cuts. And it was like we'd flip the board upside down and then it was 45-degree and everything, and half the time I was making the wrong damn cut. I was like, wait. So it's upside down, but then I got to switch it around 180 degrees, and then it's in this corner, which is a 45-degree angle. I'm like, oh, fuck.
Oh, yep, I feel you.
So everything's curling down finally, but we are still above VWAP. All of our EMAs are curling south as we're pushing north.
Yeah, I mean, I really don't know. I mean, this is chop, but it's big chop. So.
Big chop. Yeah, no momentum, Marco says. Big old wicks on the last 15. And we're right dead set in the middle of our opening 15-minute range. Kind of in the, oh, I don't need ice, baby.
No, it's okay. You can have it.
Okay, but why do I want it?
Because it will make you warm if you got hot.
It'll make me cold? It'll make me chilly if I get too hot?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I agree with Mark. Stay green until we get a direction, but then at the same time, my hand wants to click the buttons.
Dude, right? Especially me, because I'm already stinking red. Stupid.
Oh.
God damn it. Oh, God. Man, it does look like it wants to break, though. Is it going to break? Is it going to break?
It really does, but man, just these 30-point swings, 25-point.
Oh, I know. I've already tried to battle it 4 times here. It's fucked me up. Ugh.
So we think it's going to break, but with the chop, you'd want to buy it down there. So
Right.
that's the hard.
Right. That's the hard thing, man. Yeah, and then the retracement up 30 points kind of kicks your butt.
Is that your phone calling?
No, it's Mama's phone. She left it here. ES is coming down to its EMA, VWAP, I mean.
VIX kind of made a little bull flag, and it's kind of trying to break back up through it. Nvidia's giving up.
Yeah.
I mean, I kind of thought we'd get a continuation down, honestly, but
I know, but here and again, we're just slowly kind of popping back up again.
yeah.
Battery too low. Need charge.
Just I'm throwing on one little guy just to control my FOMO a little bit and to feel like I'm doing something. I'll add another one if we give it up here to 430s. Plus, fuck this account. Damn it. Another one. Ugh.
There's more where those came from.
Exactly, man. And Apex is 80% off. Take my money, you know? Here you go, Apex. I'm already on the Christmas card list, you know? Short at 69, but not 67. Will lose. Short at 69, but not 67.
Yeah. Yeah, Mark, and kind of the way we're chopping, I think if somebody gives up, the bulls give up, it's gonna be a nice run to the bottom. But
And good morning, Mr. Dry Bones. How are we doing today, buddies?
yes, sir. Good morning. Good to see you here.
There we go. There's our target. Come here. You want to come say hi to the class? Say hi to the squad.
Hi.
Hi. This is the little guy. This is a 4-year-old. Did you have fun
Oh.
yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. Some good times, good energy.
Yeah.
Man, just because I'm in the stupid short, by the way, if you feel like going long, let me know, and I'm gonna cancel
No,
this
I'm not
thing
doing
out.
anything right now. I'm hanging back, chilling with Mark right here.
Yeah, this is just choppity chop. This is not what we want. Good
I
morning.
do
Down
get the
$9. No. Boop 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 boop.
I mean, these last several weeks are kind of facing down, so
Dad,
What, bub?
do you want to eat something?
Ooh, ES is no thank you, baby. I really don't want any ice. ES is kind of dancing on its VWAP, kind of breaking through its VWAP a little bit.
Ooh, found a
We're
lot
getting
of
this little
money.
wickety wick right here.
Dad, found a lot of money.
Yeah, we're trying.
Dad, you found it.
We found it. We found the monies. Here, we'll bring this up a little bit. Put
Daddy?
it 240. So this will be the trade of all trades with just one
that's
micro. That's all you need.
that's it.
And Dad, guess what I say when you were gone?
Look at that. Look at that reaction so far.
Look at that, guys.
Which, honestly, that is where you should probably take it, because look at that wick now. But we'll
guess
see.
what I
Maybe it'll
said
keep
Yeah, it was a
breaking.
little fast, but
Yeah, Mark is telling me to get out. Get out, Greg. Get out. Get out while you still can.
Daddy?
look at that push.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Look at that. 300s now,
Look at
gang. Shoo. 70 bucks. Or 70 points. Look at that. Not 70 points. What we get? 60 points. 60 points. That's not bad. That's not bad.
Dad, guess what I said to your crew when they were gone?
What'd you say?
I said, well, my dad is gone,
Ah, did ya?
so
You little stinker.
I can talk.
I mean, Mark.
So we'll
That's
get it back.
that's just kind of a. I don't even know what that was. That was just luck, if I'm being honest.
So
You know, that's a crazy push.
we can never. I don't know when he's gonna come back,
Oh yeah.
but he's gonna come back very soon.
Oh, okay.
So there.
So hang out. So like and subscribe. There you go. You get the magical noise of swimming orcas. Oh, Mark, you should have gotten in it. We could have won together. You know, it's sad. I'm still
Well, we
super
kinda
down
just
on the
talked about
day.
it too, right? We thought, man, when the Bulls give up, this thing's gonna drop.
Man, so it came right down, bounced at the 300s perfectly. We're still showing weakness. We just got to see if this won't be a double little bottom here. but it seems like it wants to keep pushing through. 9:58 right now, though. We have a minute till our new 1 hour candle. So actually, there's something to look at. That push down brought us down
Yeah, look at that.
perfectly to the 9, to
Wow.
the EMA. So I'd almost think longs are the way now, right, guys? I mean, you don't want to just blindly
Don't
long
want
into
to
all
just
that.
jump in because I kind of think maybe the 255s could still be in play, maybe the
255s.
250 area. But
Yep. Shoot, man! I had my my target was at 240. Son of a gun!
yeah, I thought we were holding to 240. But
I thought we were too, man, and then we saw 70 points, 60 points. Sorry, we got too excited.
Dad, tell your friend about your megalodon tooth.
Oh, they've seen my megalodon tooth. They're all super impressed. Yep.
heck yeah.
I don't think they have.
Boom! Look at that! Look at that bad boy!
Oh shoot.
I know, it really is kind of
Thank
sick though,
you.
man. It's like
Heck
a,
yeah.
I don't know, like a $1,300 tooth or something like that.
Yeah, it's from a real megalodon.
It is from a real megalodon.
Yeah, a shark is a megalodon.
Yeah, they used to hunt. Where they used to hunt?
Yeah,
Where they used to hunt? Do you remember?
Yeah.
They would hunt whales. Are we jumping in this long?
that's
I
how
don't
they
know.
eat people.
What'd you
I'm
say?
a little nervous. But
They just get this tooth.
we're not
No.
really popping like I think we should.
Yeah. Mark, I didn't find it. No, there was a local YouTuber, Juke Squad. He has a decent. He has like 5 million followers or something like that.
Oh wow.
He found it. It was one of their video sessions. They went out finding teeth, and then they were supposed to open up this. They were gonna, man. Long story short, those videos did well enough that they wanted to open up a megalodon tooth ranch, where they were gonna buy like 100 acres of land that had like tooth deposits like this, and then people could pay money to go there, in a way to, get money for it. They sold tooths that they found as an NFT collection. So it was like a mystery NFT
wow.
thing. Man, look at this pump up now.
Yeah.
So I spent like, I don't even know.
And my dad got the tooth right.
Yup. Yeah, so I think we spent like $2,000 or something, or $2,500 on the 5 just random
Because that
mystery NFTs.
because
And that was
that-
the best one. The $1,300 one is a
And-
good one.
Oh,
The other
wow.
ones are probably like
because that
$30 tooths or
because
something.
dad
Yeah, babe.
because megalodon's tooth are big, so that's how you know that it was a megalodon.
Yup, you're right. And they would kill
Yeah.
whales, huh?
Yeah,
Yup.
they're big.
Yeah, they were nuts.
They're big of whales of any.
So kind of trying to form out another bear flag here.
Yeah.
But at the same time, we're getting strength. We almost pushed up to the 21.
That.
Yeah, I mean, I don't like that wick at the
Trish-
top of that
Trish
previous.
showed-
That's the only thing that kind of
Trish
kept me
showed
out
them
of not
how-
trying to go in. But,
Yeah.
Move they are.
but yeah, I think this is the bear flag for sure.
Yep. Here, Rory, I need you to be quiet though for a sec, please, so that we can kind of try to concentrate. I don't know. It's like a dumb way to do it almost, man. It's like, yeah, you got to target below the things that there's confirmation, but then at the same time, you're so stinking low already. Kind of
And
stinks.
the grass, the bench.
Kinda stinks.
I mean, we're low, but we're not low. I mean, we're still 140 points from the bottom, from the low.
Right.
But man, I wanted to jump in at 95, but I was trying to double check everything, and I just didn't get in.
It's just too late. Yeah, takes a little too long to click all the buttons sometimes. Oh shoot, man. Yep, stopped out. Ba-doom, boom, ba-doom, ba-doom. Man, I'm sorry. We're starting to feel a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more confident. We're in the
Boy.
driver's seat again,
Yeah.
guys. We're in the driver's seat here.
Dad,
Who's driving this bus? Huh? That's a picture of you. That's a picture of Wyatt.
Taking NQ to school.
Shoo. I mean, there's a lot of buying resistance, everything up here at the 308s. Jetty, what's wrong, baby?
Dad, make it funny.
Man, Nvidia's kind of at the
say cheese.
cheese. Nvidia's kind of at that fall off the cliff point, man. If it keeps pushing, it's gonna sledge off quick. Man, I don't want to chase this short, but I want to chase this short.
You know, I like that. I mean, it kind of built out kind of my play right there, but I was really
Say cheese.
real scared because that 295 area
can't
really
see your
rejected
face.
hard on that previous candle. So
Yeah.
I think
So
we're still building out another bear flag right here.
yeah. So you were considering going long off that.
Mom, do a funny face.
Yeah, the only thing that was keeping me is that
Don't do a funny
295
face.
rejection right there, and it
Yeah.
kind of did
Mom,
it
the
again.
picture.
303.
Yeah.
You remember 303 yesterday? Every time we hit 303.50, it rocketed back up. I mean, every time.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Ooh. Just teasing us, man. Teasing us.
It is. I'm telling you.
I'm gonna go for it.
How many
Dad,
eggs this morning?
3.
Dad,
Alright, baby. Here, go with mama. Go
guess
with.
what?
That's so pretty. I know. You're so silly with your tooth. Alright, love you, baby. Thank you for hanging out with me.
So, Mom, aren't you at Target right now?
No, we're not gonna go Target right now.
Then where are we going?
Well, right now you're gonna take that off and go see Uncle Patty.
Then go to Target.
Jet! Give me space. Get off of me. I've said hi to you. I've pet you. Chill out.
Nvidia's trying to hold the 14. VIX is still. The only thing about VIX right now is it really pushed up, but now it's at its 200 EMA. Kind of had a little rejection there, so
Yeah.
get some people step out of some of those shorts. I think we'll get a little push up right here.
Uh-oh. I'm in a short. I was up 10 points on it real quick, too. I didn't take it yet. Yeah, I mean, there is a lot of support right here at 283, 281. I mean, even 273, literally right where I shorted. Look at that spike right there. But it is rejecting off the 9. Nvidia is starting to turn green. It's 10:06.
Yeah, it's trying to pull back down a little.
10:06. Come on. Oh, darn it. I might try to drop a stop here just to make sure it's not like a little double bottom tweezer on me, but we'll see.
I mean, the short's still in play right now, I think. If it can get through the 67, kind of like Drybone said. He said 67 bounce. I think that 70, that 78 area.
Mm-hmm. Oh, man, yeah, it just wicks it, then pops right back up every time. That's crazy. All right. Got out of 1. Man, I will admit, though, that is one thing I'm terrible at doing, is once the trade starts going in the correct direction, is when I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
gotta get out, you know? Get out while we still can. And it's like, well, now it's going in the right direction. Now you have a higher probability of, you know, compounding money and stuff like that. But instead, my brain's just like, it's green, get out.
Take the green, take the green.
Yeah, I know it, man. Ugh. And even right now, it's like, yeah, like I'm taking green on. I'm taking like a, you know, 8 point win, and then my stop is here for like a negative 130. How does that make sense? Where's that risk to reward,
Yeah,
Greg?
I think, and you know, everybody trades a little different, but usually when I take one off in profit, then I'll move my other one to break even just instantly.
Yeah, I got to do that. I got to do that a lot better. Spent a lot of time reading Best Losers Win by Trader Tom. Helped me a lot holding my winners. Can watch his talks on YouTube too. Sweet, man. Thanks for the call out. I'll check them out. We'll check it out. I need a good book. My wife is on the, yeah, see, point proven. She's on the less TV and more like, you know, I don't know, educational stuff. So she's starting to read books. So I guess now I gotta start reading books. Man, see again, like there again, point proven, right? Perfectly. The trade
Well,
starts
there's your
going
240. There's your first trade right there.
literally, right? The trade goes in my direction. I get a little bit too nervous. I get out. Got out at 264. Yeah, another 24 points. That was 24 points. Would have been better than what I even took. Good the grief. Just gotta try again.
Yeah, I mean everything's still pushing down. VIX is still pushing up.
Oh yeah, I don't even have VIX on my screen anymore. Look at it. Good God. Yeah, Nvidia lost its support. I mean, always keeping in mind, gaps get filled 50% of the time that same exact day. If ES loses this support, phew, and Q's loses, and Nvidia keeps going, we're going to come down to the 147s real stinking quick. But after so much red, shoot, I mean, how dangerous is this short? That's a pretty dangerous short now.
I mean, we still got a lot of momentum down, but
Order filled.
kind of expecting a little bit of a push back up just because we've been dropping so hard.
Yeah, true. I know, we came all the way to the stinking bottom here. Once we take out those 830 lows, it'll be interesting to see what happens. Yeah, man. Yeah, exactly. Oh, right. I'm not even on my screen right now. I'm in a tiny little short. Just a one guy. Just a one little guy.
There's a nice another push down.
ES is losing its support. Q's it basically where its support would be. But yeah, this does, it feels weird. It feels like there should be a trap, right? It shouldn't just go down like this. There should definitely be some type of little Traposaurus Rex for us. All right, it's going in the direction I want it. Do I take the stop or do I let it keep sinking? I just don't know.
I mean, if we look back, this is kind of where it bounced at. What time is that? 6 o'clock this morning. But I mean, our next real stop should be like 192.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that.
There's
Look at that, chat. Look at that, chat.
Right through it. Right back up to it. So yeah, there's a little support there. And then 175s after that.
Yeah. Man, I've had 2 monster trades today. They just haven't been with enough, just one tiny little guy. We need more.
Yeah, I mean, you might as well just target that 146 low. There's the 175s.
Nope. Yeah, I mean, everything's still
right there.
breaking. Nvidia's just dying. Oh, should we get back in? 190. I got out at 190. Here it is at 170. What time is it? 10:12. We got a new 1 minute candle coming in 3 seconds here. But I could also see them teasing everybody with this 147. Everybody's going short right now thinking it's a guarantee.
Right.
And that pushes us up. Same thing with Nvidia. It's so close to its gap fill now.
Yeah.
What are you thinking, sir?
I'd like to see it wick through those 146s, honestly, just to see.
Yeah.
See if we get a huge pushback up, or
Are you going to try to go long at 147?
if it does a fast wick through it, or if we shoot through it, come right back to it, then I may try a little long right there. But we'll just kind of see how it has to play out right here. I'm not sure.
Oh, there's your wick. What are we
So
thinking?
that's not bad. Right back to it. What do we got? There's a candle close. Oh, I don't know. Is that going to be support?
Yeah, I'm going to try one. Just because the stop is not a bad stop. Come on. Took one off at 10 points. Another stop and play. Everything's in profit. Everything's in profit now.
Nice. Kind of that shoulder right there.
Yeah.
Which it may push right past it as far as we've dropped, but
Keep
got a
moving
candle
the
close
stops
right
up.
here. 2 seconds.
There we go. Boom, guys. Another good one. Are we green? We're green on the day! Hey! Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Shoo! Look at that, guys. Listen. Ignore the 24,174. All right. Only pay attention to 69. That's what we're going for. Oh, Marco, great call out. Thank you, sir. Man, honestly,
Heck yeah.
I'm going to call you Marco, I think, my entire life. Maybe you'll get like 40% Mark or 30% Mark. But when I'm excited, man, it's going to be Marco.
And he's saying it as 2 separate words. It's Mark O.
Yeah, right.
Your
Mark
last name.
Mark.O.
Yeah.
I know a lot of Mark, so I have to make sure. Like, I'll say Mark S, you know, Mark P. Marco. I mean, it's a good name, man. It flows really nicely. I really like it. It's good. Are you guys going to do Disney while you're here? Are you going to get, do you have, you know, I guess you can't get like a month-long pass or anything, but you guys getting tickets? You want my address? You want to put your name on my my gas bill so you can get your season pass with a Florida discount?
Heck yeah.
All right, so curling back down, making them shorts look nice and juicy again. How many? Oh my God! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're on our 6th red 5-minute candle in a row, though. So
And that's why I was
rules
kind of
7.
expecting that push back up, is because we wicked through the low. We came right back to our 46 area and
Yep.
held it. And then we had, you know, all those candles in a row. I mean, you know, 6, 7 candles, you know, I get real leery when I see 10 in a row.
Yeah. Mark, I have a brother with special needs who is turning 30 this year. Hell yeah. So we are having him and my sister come out 1 week, and we're going to do Universal and Hollywood Studios. Nice, dude.
Oh,
That's going to be a super fun time, man. Hell yeah. I haven't gone to Universal since they opened up Mario World, and it looks absolutely insane. Like Epic Universe. It looks so stinking cool, man. Yeah. Oh, are you going to make me lunch?
Finish making lunch.
Oh, thanks. You do care about me. Making me feel all special. Getting the tingles inside. I love the theme parks. My wife wants to try and get annual passes at Universal. Dude, phew. Man, that stuff has gotten so dumb expensive. Like we have the cheapest Disney season passes that you can get. Literally the cheapest. So you can't go on Saturdays and Sundays. And then there's like maybe 2 months during like the really hot periods that is blacked out. It was $1,600 for 4 people. It's insane. We've had them on and off for the last 5 to 6 years. Nice, man. Yeah, I would love to go to. I mean, my kids are. The 7-year-old is finally he's finally above 44 inches, you know. So he's finally at that height where Universal would kind of make a little more sense. So yeah, man, I would love to do Universal. Hi you. Man, so with a special needs brother, do you guys get any line perks? like for Universal and for Disney? Do you guys like, are you guys like a 5-minute line waiter group? Because that would be a pretty nice perk. I like Disney better overall, but my life loves Universal more. Are you a ride guy then? I'm guessing she's a ride person. You're more about the ambiance and vibe and stuff. No, we don't get that, son of a bitch.
Oh.
That's annoying. I like perks. Not to say it that way, man, like obviously. But yeah, perks are a good thing. So still forming out a little bit of a bear flag here, teasing us that it might keep going lower. We did take out our session low on the 1 hour. Where the heck would we go then? 113s as we're racing towards it right now. I'd say 113s is pretty probable, and then maybe we'll tap the 100s. I doubt 965, but who the hell knows? 960 retest. Yeah, man, Hollywood Studios too. I love the have you seen the, like, have you gone into all the Star Wars stuff and done the new Star Wars ride? I don't even know which one it is. It's like Empire Strikes Back, or I don't know what the hell the name of it is. But it's the one that you get into this like weird little shuttle bus thing, and the shuttle bus brings you around different places. And at some point you actually walk out into like a starship or Star Destroyer or something. I don't know, but the ceiling height is like 50 foot tall. There's stormtroopers everywhere. There's life-size like planes everywhere. Like it literally feels like you just walked out onto an enemy spaceship bay thingy.
Wow.
Man, look at that. I got green and I stopped caring about trading. I'm like, you know what? We did it today. We did it. We don't need to trade anymore.
That's what we're supposed to do.
You know? Put my hat on the fucking peg. Especially I was down. I mean, man, it's so dumb. I was down $300. So we went from down 300 to up 60. Ugh.
Man,
Rise of the Resistance. Hell yeah, man. Nice, dude. Yeah, my buddy here owns Orlando Real. You might have seen some of his. He has an Instagram that's called Orlando Real, like Ken Posick, the Ken Posick Group or whatever. So he's a real estate agent that also started a media company, and the media company is doing fairly well. But he does a lot of behind-the-scenes stuff for all that. And so we got to do the hotel experience multiple times and do videos about it and stuff. And it looked absolutely insane.
Wow.
Yeah, we've watched a lot of his videos. No way, man. Yeah, I sold a lot of houses to his clients back in the day. Because, again, I was in new builds, and he's technically like resale. Well, I shouldn't say resale. I was always representing the seller, and he represents buyers. So he would have a lot of buyers. And he has like 40 agents now, man. He does like, I don't even know. He did over like $1 billion in sales. His team of 40. So like everybody was probably selling at least like 10 million to like 20 million or something. It's a good friggin' squad, man. It's a real good squad. And then he represents, you know, some of the really crazy Disney properties now that they'll go for like 5 million up to 7 million and stuff. So he does well. There's actually a time I was going to work for him too. Kind of kicking myself a little bit, man. And it was one of the years, I mean, it was kind of my breakout year. My best year in real estate. I made $409,000 actually. It was a pretty darn decent year.
Wow.
As we friggin' crushed down again. But that year was when Ken started doing really well too, and he only had 2 agents underneath him at one time. Both of them were just absolute idiots. But Ken was doing really well. He was already at like 60 million in sales that year, something like that. I was getting near like 18 million myself at the time. And I had just done a deal with them, and it was like 2 days later that his like, you know, shitty partner walked in. I was talking to the shitty partner. I'm like, man, I'm thinking about jumping ship and joining Ken, because I feel like, you know, our personalities are the exact same. You've watched his videos, right? So our personalities are the same. We have the same style, kind of same look, same everything. So I was like, I think this is a good idea. I'm going to jump ship, join this guy instead. And I talked to that partner, and he's like, yeah, man, it sucks. He takes all like the sales himself. You know, he doesn't give you any leads. He's like, I'll be lucky if I make $100,000 this year, kind of a thing. And I'm like, oh shit, well, all right. Guess we won't do that. But that was just because he was a shitty partner. So he just wasn't giving him any leads because he was shitty, you know. And now fast forward,
Yeah.
this conversation was probably 4 years ago. And now 4 years later, you know, he owns a media company. He's a sponsor of the Orlando Magic. He has his friggin' emblem on the Magic court side and stuff like that. And he's fucking
wow.
crushing it. I mean, $1 billion in sales. And that stupid partner is actually his now, like, I don't even know, like his like right-hand man still. He doesn't do sales or anything because he's terrible at sales. But like, man, it's just one of those missed opportunities.
Yeah.
Man, sorry guys, I have not been. Do you have any Magic ticket hookups? No, I don't, man. I don't really know him like that anymore because I walked away from real estate now, like, you know, 2.5 to 3 years ago. So I haven't really talked to him since. I wish, man. You have to reach out to Patrick. Patrick has the tickets. Man, sorry guys, I got completely sidetracked from trading. I've just been talking for the last 15 minutes here. It's 10:24. Unfortunately, I gotta get going.
Unless you're in a short, there's nothing really. Just sit here and wait, kind of.
Yeah, it's just sit and wait. I mean, it smoked all the levels I was talking about, basically. I gotta imagine this is a pretty good support at 77 now, though.
Yeah, I mean, we're getting a lot of reaction right here, but
yeah, because
it's
look at it. You got all
down.
these bodies, wicks, and everything else kind of lining up right in this level. But if it breaks it, you know, then we're wicking down to the 25,000s or 24 nines.
you know, I kind of thought on an hourly we may bounce around 47-ish, but we're bouncing a little early, so
I can see that, yeah. Well, it's kind of, I mean, it's right in between kind of the level I said. Now the pocket, like that would be the pocket. If it breaks here, then we're definitely going down to 47. You know.
yeah. Which I think is maybe a little bit better support. You know, 45-ish.
My kids, speaking about basketball, man, I just don't honestly don't even really watch basketball too much, or sports that often. I'm more of like an extreme sport guy, I guess. But my wife's brother, for the kids' Christmas, took them to a Harlem Globetrotter game.
Oh,
It was,
nice.
but it was completely different. Like, I remember Harlem Globetrotters. They would, like, you know, like yank the guy's pants down, put the ball under the shirt, and smack it around and stuff. And they'd have like a trampoline, and they would do like triple flips and dunks and stuff like that. And
Yeah.
I guess there was none of that. It was basically just kind of like a basketball game, and there was like a little bit of silliness, but not that much. And there was like nobody in the stadiums and stuff, so it seems like it lost its touch.
Mm. And I just don't know where. I mean, we can't really pick the bottom. That's the hard part.
Yeah, I know it. And these are still, I mean, you know, these are still 34 point on average trades or candles.
Yeah.
Nvidia's almost filled its gap. Just stinking barely. It's about to fill it right now.
So that's going to be maybe a good turnaround point.
Yeah, you would think, right? Q's looks crazy. Q's got shot in the face. Though same thing. I mean, Q's is basically at a nice support point as well. ES. I mean, not necessarily. But they wicked through it. Yeah. How's VIX doing? VIX has a little gap right here too. I can see us get. Fuck, I'm looking at everything else, not looking at the actual screen. I'm like, I think we're gonna go up as we're going up every single time.
Yeah, I mean, we got to be a little faster to the game there. But I mean, yeah, VIX was coming down, but as soon as you said Nvidia was almost filling that gap, I was like, oh, we're gonna get a little pop then. So.
Yep. Yeah, real nice pop. The soaking wet weatherman saying it's raining outside. There's a chance of rain. All right, so your move, let's see, man. Well, it's 10:28. We're about to have a brand new candle here. So if we push back down to maybe this little white line and start pushing up again. Ah, shit.
Yeah, I mean, we had a little bit too much of a wick at the top, but I mean, it just opened and just made a small wick and went. So
Yeah.
Thinking a little rejection right here, maybe. I don't know if we'll get back to the 21, but I mean, that 21's, you're looking at almost 90 points back up to get to that.
So yeah.
Kind of maybe it's setting up for maybe a little inversion. Maybe we come back down, make kind of a higher low in here.
Mm-hmm.
I think we either make a higher low right here, and this is the weatherman outside again.
Yeah.
We're either going to make a higher low right here, or I think we may dip just slightly below. I don't think we go too much farther below, but maybe slightly below. Then we get maybe a nice V-shaped recovery, maybe.
Yeah. So we want it to hold basically the 69s or the very least 58s. I mean, or to support your thesis as well. It'd be nice if we get like a little wick. If we got a quick little wick down to 51 just to get the kill some stops, then that would probably launch us.
See, we're getting a lot of volatility right there, so they're really trying to fight to keep this a low right here.
Mm-hmm.
But, man, I just don't like how jerky and jumpy it is. I mean, there's a lot of action going on.
Well, that was our 10:30 candle as well. We got 20 seconds left of it. It's like we're in Space Command, guys. We're like, there's our 10:30 candle. Let's wait till this and this and this. You know? We get locked in, man.
Right, I mean, we have 275,000 in volume right now.
Yeah.
On a 1 minute candle.
Yeah, VIX is coming down. Nvidia's curling up. Up is going to be the way. Let's see if we get a little retest. I might join it. I was hoping to come back down to like the 80s.
Yeah.
And then I'm not going to go heavy either because I don't want to screw up my first green day in friggin' 3 months.
Right.
You know? Like and subscribe. Shoot, man. Yeah, just pushing. We still got 12 seconds left of this candle. Q's still going. Nvidia's still going. Man, Nvidia's ripping, actually. But it's also going up into an imbalance. Yeah, we just had to be quicker when we were down at the 75s. That would have been a good one.
Yeah.
Now we're back up to the 21. What do you have the 21 at? Is your 21 the same as mine on MNQ or no?
I got roughly 135, 134 and a half.
Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah. Same. Man, well, I was definitely proud of my last couple trades here. We got a couple long guys.
Yeah, for sure. That was killer. I mean,
just if we had some nice volume with it.
If I could have just joined you, would have been even better.
Juicy NQ trade would have been nuts. A $2,000 trade right there.
Okay, so yeah, like we had that huge pump up. Our incher candle should have been that 931 candle. Is it 1031 on your end? Is that what I need to say? 2 candles ago?
Yep.
So that 1031 candle should have been our entry there. Should have entered at 100. Wrote it for 20-something points. That next candle almost touched the 21 but then made that, you know, kind of that death cross to
Yep.
get a small pullback. So
So now we got to see if we get a little 77 retest, which I got to
yeah,
get,
exactly.
and I'm going to get going in, we'll say 7 minutes. 7 minutes, I got to have my cutoff be. Man, as much fun as I'm having today, guys. It's been a good day. Been a
Heck
lot of
yeah.
fun with you. Trading Cowboy just passed 3 evals again. Son of a bitch.
Trading Cowboy has been struggling on a funded on another screen. So
Yeah, we don't show him that screen, though. That
we
screen
got her
doesn't
back up.
exist.
We got her back up. We're doing good now.
Yeah, that screen don't exist. That's funny. That was like Big Daddy Max. One of them was dogging Patrick and D Money a little bit because one of their people, they're talking about showing their trades and stuff like that, and they're like, we show our trades. They're like, Patrick and D Money show their trades too. He got really upset. He's like, you don't think they're trading 20 fucking accounts at the same time and just showing you whichever one is profitable at that moment? Like, well,
Yeah,
a little bit.
but they don't show theirs at all.
Yeah, right. I know. Yeah, exactly. They just talk about it. They're like, whoa, look at that. We just had a 120-point banger. Look at that. I'm like, you didn't
Yeah.
show it.
Yeah. Oh, look, guys, I just made 2,700 on my funded account.
Yeah, I know. Literally. All right, so we've been long here. We've been long since the 70s, guys. We're up here at 146. We've already locked in 70, you know?
Gonna leave a runner.
Leaving a runner. Man, weirdly enough, here, this is a weird little thing. I had a dream about Patrick last night. And
Yeah.
literally, it was like a 5-second dream. And it was him and D Money leaning against the BDH wall. And they were like 10 feet tall compared to me. And I just looked up at him. I was like, hey, man, congratulations. You're killing it. And he ignored me again because he's been ignoring every message I've sent him ever since leaving, you know. And then I was just like, man, why are you being such a dick? Why are you ignoring me? I thought we were friends. And that was it. That was like the only part that I saw. But yeah, interesting that he was 10 foot tall in my dream.
Well, you know, he can't really talk about you on the show now because people come over here and watch you.
That's what, listen, hey, that's what my wife tries. That's what my wife says too to make me feel better. She's just like, listen, he's intimidated. He thinks you're going to steal all of his people. I'm like, Jackie, I got 310 subscribers. I don't think I'm stealing his people. You know? Ugh.
Now he could have Greg and the Trading Cowboy come to his show.
Hell yeah, man. I know, right? We could tag in. I know, that's what I was trying, man. I was trying. That was going to be my segue, you know. And maybe he's just too smart for it. I don't fucking know. But I was like, hey, man, congratulations on the
He's
millie.
pretty good.
And then I was hoping that, you know, it would start the dialogue and then be like, hey, the Airstream set up. You want to, you know, we talked about it. You want to come to Orlando and do a stream with me? And nope.
Heck yeah.
Right? All right, 4 minutes, gang. 4 minutes. We'll see if there's one last guy, which usually my last trade of the day is the trade that smokes me. So probably shouldn't do that then. Unless we both agree on it. Let's see. I mean, we are
I mean, I
kind
kind of
of.
like the sport right here. It took off kind of a little, got in a little late, but
Oh, what are you doing? Are you shorting right now?
yeah, I just got in. I got in a hair late, but kind of the half of that wick. So
Yeah, got that rejection.
should have took it earlier. Had 500, got 240. Shit.
Nice. Nice.
But nice pullback off the 110s.
Yeah. Yeah, real good pullback now.
Yeah.
If it pushes back through 150s, here's a new candle. Let's see if she can push.
If we can go right about there, maybe. Try a little long ski right there. Stop below that 110.
Woo!
Just kind of playing out that maybe this 128 is our support.
Mm-hmm. Doing good so far. Man, I kept it real tight. I got 10 off of it, though. Look at that.
Yeah.
That'll work. 85 on the day. 85 in the day, gang. Trading Cowboys up 200. Dang, man.
Well, hey, I just started. This is my second trade, so. All right, there we go. There's another
Nice,
280.
man.
So we got 520 now.
Woo! So we got 520 and we got 85 live on the YouTubes today, gang. Plus, man, I can't even talk anymore. But I was gonna lie and say that you made like 3,000 on your funded account off screen, but I couldn't even say it fast enough. So now it's not a funny joke. Now we just gotta leave.
Well,
Frustrated.
look. Go back to my screen and I'll drag it over there.
You guys want to see the receipts?
Yeah.
Shoo! Look at
Here's one of
these.
my loosely funded. This is the one we passed yesterday, right, guys?
Yeah.
2702.
Jesus, man.
Made 100 on it yesterday just so I'd get a trade day in on it.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I went in a trade and lost about 600, and I spent the next hour getting it back up to $100 for a trade day. So
Damn,
yeah,
though.
2702 today.
Look at that, though. That's not bad, man. Not bad at all.
No.
Nice little Wednesday.
So
Damn.
make sure all the guys y'all watch have receipts.
Right? Yeah, man. We should have had that screen up the whole time. You were crushing it on that one. Man, that's the only thing we got to work on for you. You're a little bit too silent when you're doing your trades, man. You'll show us some of them, but it's like, man, you're like, man, this one's too risky, so I don't want to tell you guys about it, but I just made 10 grand. I'm like, whoa, wait, what? What do you mean? It's like, where was that trade?
That's how it works, though. If I say, okay, guys, this is what I'm looking at, and I get in,
Oh, I
we
know.
get our stop.
Oh, I know. And it's quick, too. It's like, I'm going to get in, and then like 3 seconds later, you're stopped out, and you're like, all right. Well, next trade, I'm not going to say anything. The next trade, yeah, it's like, whoa, whoops.
Yeah. I mean, look at this. I entered a while ago at 130, and now it's at 180.
Yeah, man.
I mean, could have just wrote it a little bit.
And that's what I kind of learned. It's not learned today, but kind of reaffirming and re-solidifying in my mind. And whenever I go back and rewatch these streams, every single time, the reason that I'm losing is every single time that I'm winning, I take it so quick and so early. And today is kind of the first day again that I let them breathe. You know, I let the winners actually breathe and get to their potential points instead of taking it early, because you never take the losers early. You always, you take them 30 minutes later when you're real far down. So yeah, you got to learn to live with the green. We live with the red. We got to learn to live with the green. There's my next shirt. All right, gang. I love you all to death. Make sure you like and subscribe Trading Cowboy as well. He's obviously a hell of a trader. We're very lucky to have him. Who's short with me on the bear flag coming? Oh, Miguel, don't tease me. I'm on my way out. You son of a bitch. But yeah, look at this is what Miguel's talking about. Big old juicy bear flag.
Yeah.
Let's try the 15. What does the 15 look like? Yeah, I mean 15 is a little bit uglier, but yeah, man, this could be a great spot.
Yeah, I mean on the 15, I'd kind of expect kind of this candle to close and then a pull back to the 140s.
Yep.
And then a push back up. But
Yep. Oh, Miguel. Don't do it to me, bud. Don't do it. No. We gotta go. All right, I love you guys to death. Are you gonna stream later, presumably?
Yeah. I should be back on here in just a little bit, guys.
Perfect. Yeah. So make sure you pop back over. We'll keep this thing rocking and rolling. We love you to death, and we'll see you again bright and early, like 9:25 tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Mark. Thanks, Miguel.
I appreciate you, gang.